Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the beauty and artistry of wooden designs that transform houses into homes. Here, we believe that every piece of wood carries a story, a history that enriches our living spaces and connects us to nature. In an age where mass production often overshadows craftsmanship, we aim to shine a light on the timeless appeal of handcrafted wooden decor. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast, an interior design aficionado, or simply someone looking to add a touch of warmth and personality to your home, you've found the right place. Our mission is to inspire and guide you through the enchanting world of woodworking, showcasing everything from handcrafted furniture to intricate decor accents that embody both functionality and artistry. In each episode, we'll explore a diverse array of topics that cater to every level of interest and expertise. From tips on selecting the right types of wood for your projects to techniques for crafting stunning pieces that stand the test of time, we cover it all. We'll delve into the importance of sustainable practices in woodworking, emphasizing how choosing responsibly sourced materials can make a significant impact on our planet. Our channel will also feature interviews with skilled artisans who share their insights, passion, and techniques, giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the craftsmanship that goes into each piece. Additionally, we'll provide step-by-step DIY projects that you can easily tackle at home, encouraging creativity and hands-on involvement in your living space. Join us on this journey as we delve into the heart of wood craftsmanship, fostering a community that appreciates the timeless appeal of wooden designs. Together, let's create spaces that reflect our unique stories, bringing warmth, comfort, and beauty into our lives while forging a deeper connection with the natural world around us. We're excited to have you here with us, and we can't wait to see what we'll create together. If you've made it this far into the video, we truly appreciate your time and engagement. We're confident that you've enjoyed the content we've shared, and we'd love for you to become a part of our growing community. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. It's the best way to stay updated with all our latest videos and insights about the wonderful world of woodworking and home decor. Don't forget to smash that notification button so you'll be the first to know whenever we upload new content designed to inspire and inform. Your support means everything to us, and it helps us continue creating quality content that resonates with viewers like you. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty of wooden designs. Together, we can spread the love for craftsmanship and inspire others to create beautiful, personalized spaces in their own homes. Thank you for being here, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. The essence of wood. Wood has long been celebrated for its inherent warmth and organic beauty, making it an ideal choice for home decor. Each piece, whether it's a rustic beam supporting a ceiling or a finely crafted piece of furniture, carries a unique character shaped by nature. The rich grains and textures not only add visual interest, but also create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection. Wood can evoke feelings of nostalgia and comfort, reminding homeowners of simpler times spent in nature. By incorporating wooden elements into their spaces, individuals can cultivate a sense of peace and sanctuary, transforming a mere house into a true home. Handcrafted furniture. Investing in handcrafted wooden furniture is a powerful way to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of a living space. Artisan-made pieces, such as solid oak dining tables or intricately designed coffee tables, not only serve practical purposes, but also act as focal points within a room. Each handcrafted item tells a story of the materials used, the techniques employed, and the vision of the craftsman. This personal touch imbues the furniture with character and authenticity, making it feel unique to the family that owns it. Over time, these pieces can become cherished heirlooms, passed down through generations, further deepening their significance in the home. Custom wood accents. Custom wood accents allow homeowners to personalize their living spaces in meaningful ways. Elements like bespoke shelving, decorative mantels, and unique wall art can reflect individual tastes and styles, transforming ordinary rooms into personalized sanctuaries. Customization also enables homeowners to incorporate reclaimed wood, which carries a rich history and eco-friendly charm. Each piece can be tailored to fit the specific dimensions and decor style of a home, ensuring that every element serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. This level of personalization allows individuals to express their identity and creativity, making their home truly reflective of who they are. Warmth of wooden walls. Wooden walls can dramatically alter the ambience of a home, infusing it with warmth and texture. Options such as shiplap paneling, tongue-and-groove ceilings, or reclaimed barnwood create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These wood features not only enhance the visual appeal of a space, but also contribute to better acoustics and insulation. The natural properties of wood help regulate temperature, making homes more energy efficient while providing a comfortable living environment year-round. By choosing wooden walls, homeowners can achieve a rustic yet modern look that fosters a sense of connection with nature. Outdoor wooden spaces. Extending wooden design elements to outdoor spaces enhances the overall feel of a home. Decks, pergolas, and wooden garden furniture create inviting areas for relaxation and entertainment, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. Outdoor wooden spaces encourage social interaction, allowing families and friends to gather and enjoy nature together. By incorporating features such as wooden benches, dining tables, and planters, homeowners can create a harmonious outdoor oasis that reflects their personal style. These spaces not only enhance the aesthetic of the home, but also promote a lifestyle that values connection with the environment and community. Eco-friendly choices. Choosing sustainable wood options reflects a commitment to environmental stewardship, making it an increasingly popular choice among homeowners. Certified wood products, sourced from responsibly managed forests, ensure that the ecological balance is maintained. By opting for eco-friendly designs, individuals contribute to a healthier planet while also enhancing the beauty of their homes. Incorporating reclaimed wood into decor not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to the space. This mindful approach to material selection can inspire others to consider sustainability in their own home improvement projects. Artistic wood decor. Artistic wood decor, such as sculptures, wall hangings, and decorative accents, adds a personal touch to living spaces. These pieces can be crafted from various types of wood, each bringing its unique color, grain, and texture to the home. Artistic wooden decor celebrates craftsmanship and creativity, enriching the home's atmosphere while showcasing the homeowner's interests and aesthetic sensibilities. Whether it's a beautifully carved wooden bowl or a striking wall art piece, these items serve as expressions of individuality and taste, enhancing the overall character of the space. Functional wood storage solutions. Wooden storage solutions, such as cabinets, shelves, and organizers, combine functionality with style, helping to maintain an organized and aesthetically pleasing environment. Thoughtfully designed wooden storage can optimize space and enhance the decor of any room. For instance, custom-built shelves can display books and decorative items beautifully while providing necessary storage. The warmth of wood adds an inviting element to functional pieces, ensuring that even practical items contribute to the overall beauty of the home. By integrating stylish storage solutions, homeowners can create a harmonious balance between form and function. Family heirlooms. Wooden crafts often become cherished family heirlooms, passed down through generations. Items like handmade cradles, dining tables, or toy boxes carry not only functional purposes, but also emotional weight, representing shared memories and family history. These pieces can evoke nostalgia and foster a sense of belonging, making a house feel more like home. By investing in quality wooden items, families can create lasting legacies that connect future generations to their roots. The stories and memories associated with these heirlooms enhance their value, turning them into treasured artifacts that enrich the family narrative. Family heirloom: the role of color in wood design. The color of wood plays a significant role in setting the tone and atmosphere of a home. Lighter woods, such as birch or maple, evoke a fresh and airy feel, perfect for creating bright and open spaces. Conversely, darker woods like walnut or mahogany add richness and warmth, making rooms feel cozy and intimate. Homeowners can experiment with different finishes and stains to achieve the desired look, allowing for endless creativity in their decor. By thoughtfully selecting wood colors, individuals can curate an environment that reflects their personal style while enhancing the overall mood of their home. We put a tremendous amount of effort and time into preparing this video, ensuring that every detail is just right to provide you with valuable insights and inspiration. Our passion for woodworking and home design drives us to create content that resonates with our audience, and your support is crucial to our success. If you enjoyed what you watched, we kindly ask you to show your appreciation by subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your likes not only motivate us to keep producing high-quality content, but also help others discover our videos. Every subscription and like contributes to building a vibrant community where we can share ideas and creativity together. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We genuinely appreciate your support, and we're excited to continue this journey with you. Your engagement makes all the difference, and we look forward to bringing you more inspiring content in the future.